Good afternoon. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic warning, we had lockdown since effectively since 24th March, but then we had earlier also since 22nd March, and it has been many days. We are already on our second phase of lockdown. Although fortunately we don't have any positive cases over here, and we have been monitoring all the people who are in quarantine, more than 600 odd people who are over here. And other than that, of course, through flu clinic also, we have been monitoring all the people who are showing symptoms, flu-like symptoms, and we have given helpline also to the people who will be showing COVID symptoms, and we have been sending samples for testing, and we had sent many, around 27 samples so far, with the travel history, without travel history also, and all of them have come negative so far. But due to the what has happened in Shillong, we had given 2 days of complete curfew on Saturday, Sunday, and we had observed that there's a lot of positive response from the people, and they do observe complete curfew. They have been inside their homes, and they have been maintaining that social distance to ensure that transmission chain is disrupted. My appeal to all the people is, especially children and elders, they should never come out. Only young people, when they come out in emergency, especially for purchasing groceries or buying medicines, etc. There are a lot of people who are working around the clock in the government sector also. So everybody should should be covering their mouth with either mask or any 3-ply cloth as per the Government of India directives. We have been doing very early on regarding this issue also, and ensure that at least 1 meter social distancing is maintained with anybody. So apart from that, public spitting on public places is also totally prohibited. All these issues have been, all these directives have been communicated right down to the village level, and I have been going to the village areas also due to various works, and I have observed that people in the remote hinterland also, even children, elders, everybody is following these directives. They are maintaining social distance, and they are ensuring that they put on some kind of mask, etc. And that is very healthy sign. We should ensure that we should fight against corona, not only through all these deeds, but we have to ensure that these are totally maintained in the future also. It is not that after May 3rd lockdown is over, we should start gathering ourselves and keep crowding in the marketplace without mask. But these are the few of the etiquettes which we have to maintain, and which we have to continue till our fight against corona is over. As you can see that in the Southeast Asian countries, people have habit of covering their mouth. This is the reason why all these respiratory related diseases are very less in these countries, and effect is very less. So if these practices, hand hygiene practice, covering mouth, not spitting, and ensuring that social distance, if these 3-4 practices are maintained, I think our fight against corona is 80% done. Other than that, of course, the government agencies, we are ensuring that any positive cases are found, we do the contact tracing, we put people on quarantine, we observe them, and we ensure that everybody is traced, everybody is put on quarantine, first contact, second contact, and we ensure that the health and safety of the people are taken care of. So with all these measures, I think that we can ensure victory over any coronavirus or any other viruses. And this is a wake-up call for us. and we as a hill state, we are still Garo Hills, we are still are out of any positive cases of corona, and we have to ensure that we keep it this way only. Thank you very much.
Citizens, we West Garo Hills Police thank you for your kind cooperation and in maintaining this lockdown in view of COVID-19 pandemic and containing the same till date. We sincerely appeal to all of you to stay safe at home, only to come out if there is emergency need with appropriate information and permission. To wear mask all the time and maintain cough etiquette. To maintain social distancing from person to person, maintaining a distance of at least 1.5 meter between person to person. To cooperate with officers and personnel on duty in Naka checking and such other places of police department and all other departments for your own safety and precautions and for the safety of all. In cooperation with the district administration and also health department and all other departments, we have taken enough precautions, preventive measures to ensure the safety and security and health of all persons and all people and to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Please follow the rules and all the prohibitory orders in place which are given from time to time for all our safety and security and health. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Mithila.
Kasara maparang chinga West Garo District Police ni kita nasma sakanti kon betel chinga namneka talona kengkeng nasma ni dong chingbaksa bakrme ya COVID-19 pandemic sani ko talona kengkeng camping sona manani na nasma sakanti ko chingbaksa bakrmani na metela chinga nasma kon dege molmola skenchem kasapai noktang tang dongbo aro nang chungmotana agre ongkat panabe ba ongkat toba permission genang kasapai ongkat pabo apalo ongkat tengon marks ko katape ongkat pabo ongkat tengon nawa nangana reingon saksa sakapnoni chelgerkani komi beba 1.5 meter ko chelgerke dongpabo singni police personnel rang je duty rangon dongi achum kasapai wamang baksa bakrmani ko onpabo je district administration health department wa dingthang thang department rang chunga gata samping swani rang ko daking achum wamang baksa kasapai bakram pabo je ge tani rang ko ba niam rang ko na achum kasapai warang ko manibo aro anthang thang ko na joke rakhibo na simangni noko tomtom dongani singni na jokani mathela sakanti hon